Creating a document. To create a new document, click on the New Document link. iSpec gives you three options. The first option is to create a blank document. Enter a name, select a department, and select what type of document you are creating, and click Next. Be careful to choose the correct department, as it cannot be changed after the document has been created. New departments and document types can be created by your iSpec administrator. The next screen is the User Access screen. Here we can select which users will have access to the document, and what access they have will depend on the role they are assigned. Different roles give different access, from a standard viewer role, all the way to a full editing and approval role. By default, the document creator is given a role with editing rights. Roles can be changed by clicking the pencil icon, and selecting a different role. To add a new user, click the plus icon, and select a user from the drop-down list, then assign them a role. You can add, or remove users, from the user manager once the document has been created. When you have added all the users, click the Finish button to create the document. A new blank document has now been created, and you can begin to add headings and sections, using the content page, or the outline tree. Editing a document is covered in a separate video. The new document will now be listed in the All Documents folder in the dashboard. The second option is to create a document from a template that has been approved and ready to use. Select a template from the drop-down list, and click Next. Enter a name, and select the department. The same document type will be applied from the template, but can be changed once the document has been created. Add the users and click Finish to create the document. Once the document is created, all of the headings and sections are populated, and just need to be approved individually, or using the Batch Approve button. The final way is to import directly from a Microsoft Word document. The document must be formatted to iSpec specifications, so when imported, all of the headings and sections are imported correctly. Import a document is covered in detail in a separate video. Enter a name, select a department, document type, add the users and click Finish to import the document. Once the document has been imported, it is automatically approved, and unless further editing is needed, can be locked and signed.